Thank you for taking the time to follow this detailed presentation on how NFT works. If you are a blockchain practitioner and you want to improve your career with blockchains, this presentation will help you understand the working principle of NFTs or non-fungible tokens. And most importantly, it will tell you how you can do it with the support of 1/1 blockchains. Definition of NFT. A non-fungible token, or NFT, is a type of digital token. This type of token cannot be interchanged or replaced with any other token. Every token comes with unique attributes. To better understand how NFT works, you need to understand how each element of the ecosystem works. Just to name a few: a blockchain platform, a token standard, and key characteristics. NFT uses public blockchain platforms to function. Ethereum is the most widely used public platform for NFT projects. Platforms such as Neo, Tron, or EOS blockchain platforms are also capable of creating NFTs. Only the creator of the NFT can select the scarcity level of the NFT while minting. No one can duplicate or delete NFTs from the ledger once it gets created. Anyone is able to see the ownership status of the NFTs, and this increases transparency. ERC 721 is a non-fungible token standard. It describes the process of developing unique or non-fungible tokens on Ethereum. This is the most popular token standard to develop NFTs. ERC 1155 is a multi-token standard. It offers standards for fungible, non-fungible, and other variations of tokens. Every NFT comes with 6 key characteristics: indivisibility, rarity, uniqueness, ownership, transparency, and interoperability. Indivisibility. You cannot divide a single token into multiple smaller tokens. Users are not allowed to partially own an NFT or even sell an NFT. Rarity. All NFTs need to be rare in order to drive their value. Creators need to maintain a limit to promote scarcity. Uniqueness. Every NFT is unique. Every single token comes with individual characteristics that will differ from one another. You cannot interchange one NFT with another, as they do not have similar traits. Ownership. NFTs come with ownership status. Creators will have full control over the NFTs they are minting. Transparency. By virtue of using public blockchain platforms, NFTs are fully transparent. This helps the NFTs to create trust within the community. Interoperability. You can create, sell, or buy NFTs on various blockchain platforms. It's permissible to buy NFTs from one platform and sell it on another. It improves their interoperability and liquidity. Value creation. The value of an NFT depends on the uniqueness of that NFT. Companies with high brand value and famous creators will drive more value to their NFTs. A creator of an NFT will get sole copyright and can duplicate their work. The creator also gets royalties from NFT marketplaces. The buyer of an NFT will get a license to display the NFT and resell it. The buyer is not allowed to make changes or duplicate the NFT. Marketplace and wallet. To mint or store NFTs, you must have an NFT wallet. These wallets can safely store all your NFTs in one place. You need to choose a wallet that is compatible with your NFTs. NFT marketplaces allow users to buy and sell their tokens on the platform. In some cases, users can mint new tokens on the platform. 1-1 Blockchains offers the opportunity to deepen your expertise by following these additional courses. In particular, the NFT Fundamentals course will help you in understanding various crucial elements within the ecosystem. 1-1 Blockchains offers two options to improve your career as blockchain professional. The first is designed for all professionals, the Certified Enterprise Blockchain Professional course. The second option is for engineers, developers, IT managers, and is made of the Certified Enterprise Blockchain Architect course and the Certified Blockchain Security Expert course. We always recommend our students to take all courses if they want to gain a wider and solid knowledge of blockchains. This slide illustrates the foundational elements of the blockchain certification courses offered to you by 1-1 Blockchains. Just to highlight a few key values: first-class training content, interactive exercises, access to bonus training materials, professional instructors, and premium support. We at 1-1 Blockchains are introducing a whole new assortment of free blockchain learning resources to help you access insightful information on blockchain. You can access all these free resources without any restrictions and gain the best value from them. Together with the informative Enterprise Blockchains Fundamentals free course, we provide an additional variety of tools such as flashcards, presentations, infographics, and more. 1-1 Blockchains can prove it is trusted, strategic, and practical. Do not take our word for it. Check what your peers say of us. And now an important disclaimer. The presentation is not intended to provide any investment advice and should not be taken as such. Claims made in this presentation do not constitute investment advice and should not be taken as such. Do your own research. While the information contained in this document and presentation has been obtained from sources believed to be reliable, 1-1 Blockchains disclaims all warranties as to the completeness or accuracy. Although 1-1 Blockchains research and training may address business, financial, investment, and legal issues, 1-1 Blockchains does not provide any business, financial, legal, or investment advice, and this training should not be construed or used as such. 1-1 Blockchains shall not be responsible for any loss sustained by any person who relies on this presentation. 1-1 Blockchains wishes to thank you for your time in watching this video. We look forward to welcoming you in the world of blockchain professional experts.